How's it going, dronies? I'm gonna put together a little video tonight of some of the, I'm not gonna say the best, some of my favorite drone channels. Extremely helpful advice, tips, instruction on both drones, drone reviews, video, photography, composition, etc., etc. So pay attention and check these channels out. They are good.
So one thing I get asked all the time is how do I shoot my B-roll? So I've decided to put together 5 different B-roll hacks in less than 3 minutes. Hope you guys enjoy. Hack number 1.
So a lot of people have been asking about Gary. Where is Gary? How come we don't see him anymore? Everybody, thanks for watching. So 1 year ago today, this is when it all started. My drone journey began as I took my first flight with my new Mavic Pro.
Hello everybody, Ed Ricker here, and today we're talking about the Mavic Pro as a new Mavic Pro owner.
This corner, weighing in at 734 grams, the chin, the drone is... Hey guys, welcome to Flight Test. My name is Alex.
Hey guys, YouTube.tv, and today I have my 1-year review of the Mavic Pro. So I've successfully logged over 300 flights.
Great little bird here. I'll go ahead and have the links to all this stuff in the description. So if you wanted to check out what I'm using,
Hey, how's it going, everybody? And welcome back to the channel. So, this morning, looking through Twitter, and I saw that there was another post from Osler.
Hey Dad, I hope you're having a fantastic day today. Well, I talked a whole lot of trash about it, and then I got it anyway, so it looks like I'm going to be eating my words today.
Today I'm going to show you 6 hidden and useful features for the DJI Go 4 app. All these features will apply.
Well, which one? You want to know someone? Travel with them. And travel.
request by a couple of people to do an active track test with the Mavic Pro.
I think in the end, you know.
It's in here. Hello, people of YouTube. Today I'm going to be going over some options on hand catching your Mavic Pro.
Hey guys, what's going on? It is Dylan, and I am here today with a DJI.
I know where we like to fly like filmmakers. My name is Stuart Carroll. We're back in front of the green screen here again today for a bit of fun to talk about. You as you walk, maybe you're trying to add some really epic shots to your vlogging or whatever kind of. This is the DJI Mavic Pro versus the old Phantom 4 for fun.
Ready, set, drone, and we've already done a setup and first flight video for the DJI Mavic today.
Ever since I got the Mavic, I've been trying to find the best combination of in-camera settings along with post-processing workflow. Today we're going to
What?
Hi, Rick here from Marimoto. That's go wrong. I listened to the other day, a guy just purchased a Mavic Pro. Mavic Pro is a small, portable, yet powerful flying camera ever. It has built into it 24 high-performance computing.
Today I'm here to review.
Video just to tell you some things I wish people had told me when I first got my Mavic, just so I'd understand the ins and outs of the thing.
Flaring are those weird blobs that you see when you take pictures into the sun or with the sun at an angle, and it's really common since you're flying above the trees. The sun's in a lot of shots. Hey guys, welcome back to the Drone Camp Studio. I'm Justin Davis, and
As you can see here on the video, ×2, how to do that on the remote there.